Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful study techniques that can drastically improve your learning, active recall. If you are tired of rereading your notes or highlighting every line of your textbook but still not remembering anything for your exams, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can use active recall to study more effectively, and trust me, it works. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First, what is active recall? In simple terms, it is a technique where you test yourself on the information you are learning instead of just passively reviewing it. Instead of reading your notes again and again, you try to actively recall the information from your memory without looking. By doing this, you are forcing your brain to strengthen those memory pathways, making it easier to remember when it counts, like on exam day. Now let's break down how you can start using active recall in your study sessions. Create questions from your study material. Step 1. Turn your notes into questions. As you are reading through your textbook or lecture notes, turn key concepts into questions. So instead of writing, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, ask yourself, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Then later, test yourself by answering those questions without looking at your notes. Use flashcards for quizzing. Another great method is using flashcards. Write the question on one side and the answer on the other. Test yourself and don't flip that card until you have actually tried to recall the answer. But here's where things get even more effective. Pair active recall with spaced repetition. This means testing yourself on the same information but increasing the gaps in time. So maybe you quiz yourself today, then 3 days from now, then a week later. This spacing helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. So, what does an active recall study session actually look like? Step 1. Skim through the material once. Step 2. Close the book or notes and write down or say everything you can remember. Step 3. Check what you missed and repeat the process. Step 4. Quiz yourself using flashcards or practice questions. Do this regularly and you will see your memory improve. And that's it. Active recall is a game changer when it comes to studying efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on learning, productivity and self-improvement, and also pharmacy information. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite study technique, and if you try active recall, I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.